What's good, boys? It's your boy Ben Banks back with another video. Today, guys, we're literally doing a live cop on Supreme Week 7. So we've literally got 1 minute to the drops about to happen, and we are using the Ultra Supreme bot. Hopefully we can pick up the license plate. I'm only out here to get the Supreme Gold and Silver license plate. So make sure you drop a like on this video. It would help me out a ton. It takes 2 seconds out of your day. Drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. We're nearly at 50 subs now, so subscribe, and it would mean a lot to me. But we got 1 minute right now, guys, so I need to get my game face and let's see if we can get this this W, boys. So let me know how your day's going in the comments, and let me just keep an eye on the time. We've got literally seconds right now, so I've got to keep it real. But anyway, let me know what you're doing, like I said, and it should be all Gucci. And we're going to get straight into this. We have got, there we go, 11 o'clock, boys. Let's do it. Hello. Work for me. Work for me. Here we go, guys. There we go. Add to basket. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, we out here. What? Don't do the games like this. Oh. Boys, mate, that's right. What do you mean? Oh, it's a month. Hey, there we go, boys. I was about to say, my card details are wrong there with the bot. I don't know what. I need to go change that in the setting in a second. Oh, there it is. I've already changed the setting for next week. But, boys, there we go. Thank you, Ben. You have ordered successfully chain license plate. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. But anyway, let's go ahead and open up actual Supreme right now and see what has and hasn't sold out. So nothing's actually sold out yet, so that's a shock to me. Let's see what they did drop as well, because I'm not sure if everyone got it right. But let's go ahead and have a little look. So you've got the denim, like, I don't even know how to name denim, like leather. It's nearly £50,000, and then you've got, that's alright. That's kind of fresh, you know. I would actually wear that. 109. You got the oh, that is sold out. Sold out. Yeah, the red one's the only one that's sold out. What's about a license plate? Oh, the cat and the hat all sold out. Wow, that's crazy. These are still going strong. I thought these would sell out actually. Quite a big Supreme logo on them. We got the hat. Is that not sold out? I thought this would sell out as well, to be honest with you. Who knows? Let's go ahead and see if the license plate is still there. But yeah, we managed to cop that license plate. It's been a while since I copped Supreme, you know, so it feels good to be getting back on that wave, you know. But we got the license plates lit. Where's this thingy at? They sold out. Oh, they're still in stock. It's 70 quid though, bro. That is kind of crazy. But yeah, man, they look kind of cool. So sorry about me yawning. I had to wake up for this drop. But yeah, I got 70 quid. If a resale's not a resale, it's all good. I just use these. But I actually really do like them as well. So it's kind of lit. But there we go, guys. Pretty much everything sold out. The cat in the hat is gone crazy, boys. Everyone loved the cat in the hat. Let me know what you copped down below. As always, I always want your guys' feedback, what you copped. And let me know in the future if you need me to use my bot for you guys. Because I don't buy something every week. So if you guys do need me to run a bot for you, then let me know. What even is this? I don't even know. But I'm seriously still surprised that this hasn't sold out. I'm going to carry on looking right now, actually. Yeah, this is actually really nice. I'm surprised it's not sold out. Oh, it's sold out on every other side, because I actually really do like that. I don't know about all the other colours. Maybe the red I would wear. The blue's quite cool. But yeah, I definitely like that. That's kind of cool. But yeah, guys, it's all pretty much sold out. All the hyped items, I believe. Yeah, it's already sold out. If we just go like this, actually, while am I playing games? Right, so there's my order number. Right, that'll do. Let's just go back here. Shop. View all. And it just shows me what's sold out anyway. So the black one sold out. You got the champion red one sold out. You've got that is that a polo top? That's already sold out. All the cat in the hats sold out. Like all of them. Even these colorways have been sold out. That's actually a really nice colorway. 138 quid though. Wow. This last week. Oh, all the cat in the hat beanies are sold out. Jesus, everyone's loving these cat in the hat. Oh, these stuff. But anyway, oh wait, the shoes. I forgot about shoes. I forgot about the shoes, boys. The shoes are pretty much sold out, I guess. The license plates are still going strong, to be honest with you. I didn't think that. But anyway, guys, that's enough rambling. That's enough. I managed to cop myself the license plate. I'm probably just going to use them for display on my wall if they look decent. If not, I'll just try to resell them if the value does go up. But they're still not sold out, so I'm guessing that they won't go up in value. But anyway, appreciate you for watching as always. Make sure you smash a like, helps me out a ton. And subscribe, and I'll be back with some more live cops and unboxings and reviews in how to cops very soon. But yeah, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.